Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be answering some questions about introduction to literature. Questions number 1. I'm really interested in the introduction to literature course. I thought it was only for literature majors, but it turns out it's available here too. I'm curious to see what we'll be learning and how it can help us understand literature. Questions number 2. I'm drawn to all three aspects above, but what really captivates me is the simple yet profound language. For example, Sapardi Djoko Damono's poem, Hujan Bulan Juni. Although not English literature, its use of very simple language manages to convey feelings of love, longing, and sincerity in a subtle and touching way. Questions number 3. When I hear the word literature, what immediately comes to mind is a poem by Sapardi Djoko Damono. This poem uses simple language yet is profound in meaning. Questions number 4. In literature class, we are invited to delve into the feelings, conflicts, and messages contained in poetry, short stories, or novel. The activities I hope for in literature classes are reading and discussing. Through reading, because we will understand various perspectives, human experiences. Meanwhile, discussions help us see other people's interpretations that may differ from our own. Literature classes can be more creative because they give us the freedom to interpret works from a personal perspective, and more reflective because many literary works make us reflect on life, values, and personal experiences. Questions number 5. To be honest, I've never read a full story, poem, or drama in English. I've mostly read Indonesian literature. Questions number 6. In my opinion, by understanding literature, we can improve our language skills and also learn to find the meaning of life. Questions number 7. How literature can help me see the world and other cultures in new ways. Through stories, poetry, or drama, I can learn about the traditions, values, and ways of life of different people. Questions number 8. If I had to choose, I'd be more drawn to prose. Prose tells stories, describes events, and conveys ideas coherently and clearly, much like novels and short stories. I became interested in novels after entering college. Before, I was introduced to literature, and even more I knew that novels were literary works. Novels make me want to understand the meaning contained within each sentence. Questions number 9. The challenges I anticipated when studying English literature include new vocabulary and idiomatic expressions, as well as words that reflect values, traditions, and social contexts that may be unfamiliar to me. The strategies I will use to overcome these challenges include reading with the aid of a dictionary or translation app to understand difficult vocabulary, noting and studying idioms, expressions, and styles of language in literary works, discussing with friends to exchange perspective, and getting used to reading English text, gradually moving from simple to more complex. Questions number 10. My personal hope for this course is that I can understand literary works more deeply, not only from the story perspective, but also from the values, message, and meanings contained within. Academically, I hope to improve my reading skills to understand complex texts, write with better style, and think critically in analyzing the contents of works. In my daily life, I want literature to inspire me by providing new insights, expanding my empathy, and cultivating sensitivity to personal human experiences. This way, this way, I will not only develop academically, but also in how I feel life with a broader and deeper perspective. Questions number 11. Poetry has a denser and more emotional, expressive power. In just a few lines, profound symbolic and even philosophical meanings can be contained. Prose offers the experience of living in another world, because readers are invited to follow the plot, get to know the characters, and delve into the conflicts in detail as if they were experiencing the event being told. Drama is unique because it is not only read but also performed. Its main strength lies in the dialogue and action, which make the message, conflict, and emotions more tangible and directly felt by the audience. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.